This is the pits. Look at you, doing nothing. Drinking that raspberry emergency like it's juice. Yes, you heard right. It's your inner self. Girl, I know everything isn't okay. Your foundation is just sitting on top of your skin. You're hairy and you're super dry. You gotta do something about it. What you gonna do? Come on, Sharon. I believe in you. You need to do something to make us happy. Can you think of anything? Girl, you thought of something? Wait a minute. Is that a fur and a crown made of sprinkles? Yes, girl. Serve it. I love it. Ugh. So royal. So regal. Now we can start a day of pampering. It's all about you. Hey lovies, welcome back to my channel. It's me, Sharon, and I just decided that I needed to take some time and take care of myself and give myself a little pampering day. I know y'all like, what is she doing? Why does she have a fur on and a crown made of sprinkles? 2020 has been going kind of rough for me. I've been feeling under the weather for the entire month of January. I've had a cold, but since I've been feeling so bad, I decided I need to dress up, and I'm a true firm believer that when you're not feeling your best, you should look your best, because when you look your best, you'll feel your best. And honestly, I feel better immediately with this fur on and my crown. Even though it is hot in South Florida, I am in South Florida, and it's hot. Let me give a turn. This is truly Sharon. Like, if I could wear fur every day, I would. But I feel so much better, and I thought, why not? Let's do some skincare with the fur on, with a crown. Like, let's do it. Comment of the day. I want to know, what do you do when you're feeling down? What is your go-to activity or remedy when you are feeling down and you're not feeling your best? Let me know down in the comment section. Let me know. So let's get started with skincare. So I'm using the TimeWise Repair Volu-Firm set. First up is the Volu-Firm Foaming Cleanser. I had to take off that fur because, as you can see, I am hot. So, so silly. So I'm going to take a small amount of cleanser and water and create a rich lather, massaging all over my face and neck. Using the Mary Kay Skinvigorate Sonic Cleansing Brush, I'm going to cleanse my face. So this cleansing brush is amazing. You could cleanse your face within 60 seconds, and it's going to give you a light exfoliation as well as clean your skin 4 times better than if you were to use your hands. So I just want that deep cleanse, and I love this brush. Now I'm going to go in with a warm washcloth and wipe off all of the cleanser. So I'm going to wipe my forehead, my nose, all over my neck. I want to make sure I get all the cleanser off. Now my skin is feeling good. I'm just checking myself out. I can see those freckles. So feeling good, feeling refreshed. We washed. So that is the first step. Bum-ba-da-dum. It's time to dermaplane. So I went to my local Walgreens and I saw this tool, and of course I've seen it on TV as well, and I thought, why not? I should try it out. It's only like $20. Let's see what it's about. So I have the Finishing Touch Flawless Dermaplane Glo. It's lighted, it's for facial exfoliation and to remove hair. So I'm going to remove the peach fuzz, exfoliate, and smooth out my skin. So what's included in the box is 1 unit, 6 replacement heads, and 1 AAA battery. It also has LED light technology, so you never miss a hair. It has a built-in safety guard on blades to help protect skin. So it exfoliates and removes hair, smooths the appearance of fine lines, and improves the application of makeup and topical cream. I needed to read the instructions. This is new territory for me because I've always learned that you never shave your face. You never put a razor to your face. If anything, you wax. But I did read you're supposed to use short, feather-like strokes while holding at a 40-degree angle. So your girl was very nervous. I didn't know what I was doing. I say I was having the hardest time. It was struggle city, like your girl was struggling. I didn't know if I needed to shape upwards or downwards. I was just lost. It was a real struggle. Eventually I got it together and I figured it all out. Some areas of your face you have to go downward with the blade, and some areas you need to go upwards. And what was confusing me was, what part of my face do I go up or down? So eventually I got it, and I actually love the results. The hair is gliding off of my face. So easy. It's so simple to do. Anyone can do it. Just don't apply a lot of pressure on your face with the razor. But as you can see, you see all that peach fuzz coming off of my face. So it's amazing. So I'm just going to do my whole face. I did my brows, so I'm going to clean up my brows. I did my mustache area, and I also did my sideburns. So I dermaplaned my whole face. Of course, not the eye area, because you want to avoid the eye area and your nose. Now it's time to trim the brows. So I'm going to go in with the comb. I'm going to comb my brows upward, and then I'm going to take a tiny pair of scissors and I'm going to trim the hairs. So you could use nail scissors or brow scissors, either one. Just make sure they're tiny scissors. And I'm going to trim the hairs. Then I'm going to comb down and trim the hair as well. As you can see, I have naturally full brows and I like them to stay that way. So I only clean up a tiny bit. So I only trim a little bit, and I also shape up with the razor a little bit. But I like to keep my natural shape and my natural fullness. Using a wet, warm washcloth, I'm going to wipe down my face, making sure to remove any of the hair that I just removed from dermaplaning. I don't want any hair left on my face. So I'm just making sure I have that all off before I get started with my mask. So today I decided to use the Clear Proof Deep Cleansing Charcoal Mask by Mary Kay. And so I use this all the time in my skincare regimen, and I decided I would share it with you today. This triple action charcoal mask makes skin feel deeply cleansed while improving overall skin clarity. So it's going to instantly absorb excess oil and reduce shine. Using a clean foundation brush, I'm going to apply the charcoal mask all over my face. So I couldn't find my mask applicator, so I decided I would use a foundation brush. It works just as well. It's just messier. It takes a lot longer to clean the brush, but it works just as well. So I'm applying an even layer over my clean skin. I'm going to leave the mask on my skin for 10 to 20 minutes. But as I leave the mask on, you'll see the mask is going to transform. So when I first applied the mask, it was a rich, creamy texture, and then it's going to go to a soft matte finish as it dries down and absorbs skin impurities. And of course, I did get a mask on my robe. As you can see, I haven't had the best of luck with this robe. It seems like every time I wear this robe, I'm getting foundation or mask on it. but it's all good. It can all wash off, so yeah. Pizza break. What is a pampering day without greasy, delicious, hot, fresh Pizza Hut pizza? I love Pizza Hut, that's my favorite, and I decided to skip the cucumber water, the mint tea, and go for a better option, which is pizza. As the mask dries, your skin is going to get very tight with the mask on it, so it's going to get very tight. And as you can see, there will be different changes of color within the mask. You'll see some areas are a dark gray, and that is pretty much the oil, the excess oil being taken out of the skin by the mask. So it is truly deep cleansing, deep purifying your skin. After leaving the mask on for 10 to 20 minutes, I'm going to take a wet, warm washcloth and make sure I wipe off all of the mask. So I love this charcoal mask. It's great. It's amazing. You can use it 2 to 3 times a week, and it's just great for a deep cleanse, for cleansing out your pores and getting rid of excess oil. Now it's time to tighten and firm the skin using the TimeWise Repair Volu-Firm Advanced Lifting Serum. This is perfect for morning and evening. So I'm going to take the serum and smooth it all over my face and neck in an upward and outward motion. So when applying any skincare, be it a cleanser or a serum, you always want to apply it in an upward and outward motion. You never want to pull down or tug on your skin. You always want to lift the skin up. So you want to defy gravity, up and back, up and back. And don't forget about your neck and décolleté area. It's just as important as your face, and it deserves respect. So do the same thing you do to your face, to your neck and décolleté. You want to make sure you cleanse, moisturize. You also want to make sure you're applying products going up and back, defying gravity, never pulling down, never tugging. Next up is the TimeWise Repair Volu-Firm Night Treatment with Retinol. So we're taking our skincare, our age fighting to a whole nother level with this product. So it helps reveal radiant looking skin, reduces the appearance of deep lines and wrinkles, helps improve advanced signs of aging, skin tone appears more even, helps neck area look noticeably smoother, increases skin moisture for 12 hours, and it contains the benefits of the Volu-Firm complex, which is a secret. I'm applying the night treatment to my face and neck in an upward and outward motion. So you want to do the same like we did before with the serums. You want to apply it up and back, defying gravity, never pulling down, never tugging. Now it's time to give the eyes a little TLC, and today I'm using the TimeWise Repair Volu-Firm Eye Renewal Cream. I'm going to gently press the tube to release product to the applicator. Then using the applicator, I'm going to smooth the eye cream under my eyes and then massage around my eye area. So my favorite part about this eye cream is the applicator head. It's rounded and it's flat, and it's perfect for massaging the eye cream all under your eye. It just feels really nice and cool. So this eye cream is perfect for deep lines, wrinkles, and sagging in the eye area. So every woman needs a great eye cream. It's so important. You need a great eye cream. So I'm going to use my 2 ring fingers, and I'm going to pat in the rest of the eye cream. So I'm just going to pat lightly underneath my eyes. You never want to rub or tug underneath the eye area. It's very delicate. And every woman needs a great eye cream. The first signs of aging is seen in a woman's eyes. So girl, get an eye cream, and I love this one. So I'm just gonna pat it in. Next up is Mary Kay Naturally Nourishing Oil. The Nourishing Oil is a part of the new Mary Kay Naturally Skincare line. So all of the products in this line are derived from natural ingredients. So I'm going to apply 2 to 3 drops to my palm, press my hands together, and then gently massage the oil onto my skin. So this oil is amazing because you can use it on your face. It's versatile, so you can use it on your hair, on your nails, especially the cuticles. So it's good for moisturizing your cuticles. But the great thing about this oil is it absorbs quickly, so it leaves the skin feeling soft, hydrated, and nourished. And that's the end of our pampering session. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. And I would love for you to please, if you really want to help me out, if you really want me to grow, I would love for you to share this video with any and everyone. Your aunt, your mom, cousins, best friends, sister, anybody who you think would enjoy this video, or just share it, period. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. I just feel so much better.